Hi, welcome to online tutorial videos from JCBRO Labs. For more information, you can visit us at www.jcbrolabs.org. In this video, we will talk about breadboard and how to use breadboard for prototyping simple and small electronic circuits. So let's have a look on the breadboard. So breadboard is a kind of circuit which have many small holes, and at the back end of the holes these small holes are connected to each other in a different fashion. So we can divide in breadboard in 4 different sections. This is upper one, middle one is divided into 2 parts, and the lower side. The upper side of the breadboard are connected horizontally like this. So all the dots or the holes are connected to each other and horizontally connected, while in the middle section these holes are connected vertically, so that when we try to implement a circuit, so if we are putting something in this hole, then the other can be put into this hole, so that these two are connected to each other. So this is a brief intro. Shortly we will try to implement a small circuit of the LED, how to glow an LED on the breadboard. So first let's have a look on the circuit which we are going to implement on this breadboard. So on the breadboard we will turn on an LED circuit on breadboard. So this is the simple one. We will connect an LED there. So as we know, this is the symbol of LED. It is nothing, just a light emitting diode. So it is a special kind of diode which emits light, and we will connect a resistance in series with it, or normally a 1k resistance, so that it restricts the amount of current which is going to be flowed through the circuit. And then we will connect it to the +5 power supply. So this is a small circuit which we will implement on the breadboard. So let's have a look how to implement it on breadboard.
So this is a breadboard, as we have discussed in a video. There are several dots which are used for prototyping any circuit, and as we discussed, these particular dots in this section, these are shorted vertically like this. That means all these dots or black space in the single column are shorted. Similarly here, all these single column are shorted, while in this upper section these lines are shorted horizontally like this. That means this block and this block are shorted like this. So these lines can be used as a power layer to provide VCC and ground to the complete circuit. Similarly, these lines are also shorted here. Now further, this breadboard is divided into 2 parts. That means this is shorted up to here, and this is shorted up to here, and these two are not shorted, so they are not connected to each other. So if we want to make a complex circuit which need power supply here and here, so we need to provide a small jumper wire connections from this one, from this side to this side. And so this is a brief intro of this breadboard, and now we will try to implement a small circuit, or we will try to turn on an LED in order to demonstrate like how to make this circuit working. So we have this LED, and as you know, the LEDs have 2 legs, one is for positive and one for negative. So the bigger one, the longer one leg is the positive one, and the shorter one is the negative one. So we connected here like this. So we can't connect it like this vertically, otherwise both the pins will be shorted to each other. So one leg should be in one section of these vertical lines, and another should be another section of this vertical lines. So let's connect it. Yes, Now this is connected, and both the legs are in different vertical section, so they are isolated to each other. Now we will put our resistance there. So again, resistance don't have any positive and negative. We want to connect the resistance to the negative one, so resistance will go into the next section or into the next dot which is being provided, in which the negative leg has been inserted, so that these 2 points are connected to each other. So now the second leg can be connected anywhere. Okay, so it's done. So let's have a look. These LED negative leg and the resistance one are in the same line of these same shorted lines, and other pins are other, so that they are isolated to each other. Now let's connect the power supply. So we are providing the power supply for this circuit from this board. Here we have a board, so we'll connect a +5 supply here, and +5 should go to the positive leg of this LED. So let's connect it here now. So this power supply is also in the same line where this positive leg is there, so that is connected. And now we will connect on ground. So let's connect here ground, and it goes to the resistance leg in the same line where a resistance other leg is there. So it goes like this. So if you can see, these are connected. So these lines are, or the connections which needs to be made, they should be put in the same vertical line. So this is how our circuit is complete. So our connection is done. Now let's turn on the power. Okay, now so this LED has turned on. So this is how we can prototype small circuits on this breadboard. So this one was a simple circuit which is turning on an LED through the power supply. So let's move to the theoretical section, and we will do more these small circuits on this breadboard.
So we have seen how to implement a small LED circuit on the breadboard, and it was working. So I hope you understood how to use this breadboard for prototyping a small circuit like this one, or some of the complex circuit which we will learn in the upcoming videos. So in future videos we will also try to implement more small circuits on this breadboard. So that's it for this video. Thank you.